for direct violations. So this could be someone texting on their phone. We've encountered people playing on social media, on email.
I don't use my phone, but I notice it. You know, you turn around the corner, you know, 20 cops right there. Like,
didn't take too much detective work.
Yeah, I mean, it didn't. A lot of people don't notice it because they are on their phone.